times better of a ski. Yeah, that's a beautiful ski. That's my favourite ski ever. Are you in full power mode?
Yeah, just do it then.
Let's have a race against these two.
Alright, what seat are you at?
I'm just in neutral. So let's get up beside us. Are you in full power?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that's how you win your races, eh? That's how you get 11 world Australian titles. 3, 2, 1, go! Pretty quick. That's a nice ski, hey? I openly tell everyone I'm a 310R guy, and that's the best ski I've ever ridden. That's the best ski I've ever ridden. Are you in launch control? You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! It did it. This intake grate makes a hell of a difference, because on that water, on the old intake grate, I'd be all over the shop. So I had this then full trimmed down to try and duplicate that, and then I was doing it. It didn't work. I don't think it comes up fast enough, whereas that one, when you take off, it pulls you back up to neutral pretty quick.
I did it manually this time.
Yeah. Whereas I did it full down then.
Don't go full down, go one up. Yeah.
So and it you just took off from me off the line, and it just didn't want to know.
I'll do it manually together.
Well, you one up from the bottom.
Yep.
Just over there or something? All right. 3, 2, 1, go! Prop doesn't want to play the game.
That'd be a big thing,
yeah. The prop just doesn't want to play. I tell you, when it's going, it's an animal. This is when I'm chasing you down. It moves it down. This thing is really nice. That's a limousine.
Yeah. That'd be alright. You get a rolling start.
Yeah.
Surf race.
But that thing's just so comfortable to ride.
Yeah, it's my favourite.
It takes no energy. Yeah, well. See ya! Are you? No, you couldn't catch me.
You know what I just worked
Go and have a go on this thing.
No, I just worked out with this thing.
What?
I just changed my mid-corner approach
Yeah.
and got rid of that mid-bobble. So what I was doing then is instead of dipping it, dabbing it down to come in, I was rolling it in, dabbing it mid and then flat before you were, whilst you were at the full thing, and that would drive it to stop that bobble.
You do that. That's what you do on a cowie.
Yeah.
Yeah. You give it a little chop and then full.
Yeah.
You give it full while you're still actually in the corner.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah. Try that thing there. Maybe when you start it, if it's flashing and whatever, just hold one of the buttons down until it goes away. I love this ski too. That thing's just a weapon. Just go for gold. It's not gonna hurt you. And I've slowed it down. But God, it's a good thing when they make them. Fuck.
Yeah, that's good.
Just hold one of the buttons down. It'll go back to the data. It's a weapon. Yes. Don't know how you're going to get it on that hull. Like I could probably drop the sponsons down, but yeah, but we were about 2 inches forward and the nose washed out. I'm thinking it's there or back one, and the nose wasn't washing the nose out. But a 15F doesn't turn as good as any other because it's got a flatter nose. I got the tools, easy enough to do, but it's a quick little thing, eh? That would sell in America, in lakes and stuff. Hey, it needs a brake, but you know, the brake will be